Hello, motherfucker.
Stop it. Get some help.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and welcome back to the bell. So hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, hit that little.
Yo, what's up YouTube? What's happening? So today is 2nd January and I am starting my phase 1 of the 100k E8 funding challenge. So this is the account, and I'm about to jump on some Euro USD trade that I've been looking at. So I am looking to buy this trade. Yeah, so I am looking to get in a buy. So that was my entry, and my stop loss was right below there, and my take profit was right up there. Just a minute, I'm going to show you the trade settings. So yeah, this was basically my setup, and why I got in this trade is, you can see it was an uptrend, and this was the very first trading day of the year. So price pulled back, and we could see that on the H1 that there was price could potentially go up to the previous high. So these were my entries, and immediately I got in, price was pushing up like crazy. So although I initially wanted to trade 3 standard lot sizes, I ended up adding some 10.00 extra to lot sizes because I saw the potential. I knew it was going to pull up, so why waste the opportunity, you know? And plus, the risk on this trade wasn't that much, as I would show you later on. I'll show you later on. So it was a good entry. The stop loss was very tight, and the take profit was good. I was super sure of the trade, so of course the risk was worth taking. So let's say 4 to 5 minutes into the trade, and I was already up what 1.5% or so. Yeah, I was already up at this point. I was already up almost 1%. So yeah, I was basically just holding and seeing what price was gonna do. And at this point, I was up 1.8%. It was going super good. It was going really, really nice, and I was still holding. At this time, I was in 9 minutes into the trade, and it was going really, really good. And yeah, I was still holding. I was in the trade, and price was pushing, was going up and down, and it was just going up and down. The market was very volatile, and it wasn't stable. It wasn't stable at all. Yeah, this was when I mean, let me not spoil the fun. I don't know, I think I can anyways. So yeah, I ended up closing that trade with a negative 300 and something, because price pulled down, and I saw that price was going to make a reversal. So what did I do? I reanalyzed my chart. I got in some entries. I was looking to make 8.4%. On these new entries, my profits, take profit was going to be around 8,460 USD. On this particular trade, I was using a 20 lot size, and we're going to talk about my stop loss in a bit. So I got in. This was my setup, and I got in this because you can clearly see that price was failing to break up to the upper side. I was actually buying initially, and I was up 5k plus, but I didn't take profit because price did not get to my take profit. And I was risking 3.3% on this particular trade, on this sell trade. So price was beginning to behave like it was going to drop, but bro, I was in this trade for 2 days. I got in this trade on the 2nd of January, and I got out of this trade on the 3rd of January. So I spent 2 days in this trade, not because I was not in profit. In fact, I did get in profit 5k like 2 to 3 times, but I didn't close it because my plan was to make sure that I hit take profits before closing. And this was my setup basically. You can see price was even got down so close to my take profit, and I never closed. For example, this was around 5:27 my time, and this was on the 2nd, and I did not close the profit. I was still holding. I was still there. I was still holding. I was waiting for price to hit my stop, my take profit, because I was sure Euro USD was going to dump. I was sure that Euro USD was going down, so I was waiting for price to hit my take profit. And no matter what happened, even if I was going from profits to basically I was going up to 5k, and it was pulling back up 5k and pulling back up, but I was still holding that in. And yeah, that's basically what happened on the 2nd of January, which was my first day of trading on the 100k phase 1 account. So this is this is the 3rd of January, and market just opened 15 minutes into the market open, and price moved up to my entry. And since I was floating 2.5k as at the time of market open, I was up 2.5k. When market pulled back, I was having a daily drawdown of 2.5k, which was around 2.5%. And my daily drawdown for that day was going to be 5%. So I was halfway to bridging my daily drawdown. But I didn't close. I just waited. I reduced my stop loss, and I was going to just close out on negative 3k, which would put my account just $500 down, which would still, my capital would still be the same, but based on the E8 drawdown rules, I was going to be down 3%, but my capital was still going to be around 95, was still going to be around 99,500. So basically I was going to be losing around 500 or so. So yeah, but good thing, price started to drop again, and I was in profit, and I was holding that in. I didn't care what was happening. I was just waiting for price to smash my take profit. No matter what happened, I kept holding. So this was Monday morning on the 3rd of January, and price finally smashed my take profit, and I closed 8.7k in profit, and I passed 8.75% to be precise, and that's how I passed the phase 1 challenge for the 100k account. My win rate was 100% win rate. I didn't take no losing trades. I smashed that thing like crazy. I took just two trades. First time I was buying, those were my first set of trades, and the second set of trades I was selling. So this was when I got the message that says profit target has been reached. So basically at this time they were trying to see if I violated any of the rules, and my drawdown was just 2.5%. As you can see there, and my max drawdown was 1%, 1061 USD. So that was it. That is how I smashed the phase 1 of the E8 funding challenge. So this was so fun. This was so fun.